trong xe này đặc cái là sai mong thiên chia khó cho này cái cho cái bán nhau đông Fresnoแต่nó cũng về hồ níu và nếu nó bây giờ thật cho donating blood là do John Chan okay nếu bắt đầu xa hai tia do nếu mua về con món nó nếu ở đây chạy do nếu mua chase đồ là do accident nếu chỉ mua chat zone nàyคือคนมอนามาเลยมัวเลยจอนชาไปจอบเลือดแบ่งส่วนย้อยเขาเจอนิ่งตัวจอนชาน่ะโอเคเขานอมาย้อยเขาจริงๆตัวไปหานิ่งไปอยู่ที่ตัวโป๊ะจอวิหารเดียอยู่ที่ตัวป้าอยู่ community เทียอยู่ที่ถอยอยู่นี่ป้าเราอยู่มั่วเก็บป้าเนาะเจเลยที่โป๊ะป้าอยู่น่ะโอเค so จนจีน่ะกูเจ้าในมูดกูยังมูไปรูป blood center ที่อันกูมาแค่นี้ฮะเดียนี่เลยตัวจอนชาเนาะเลยโอ้เลยจ้า call process ที่นี่ใช้ฮะเดีย call เช่นนอนี่อยู่ตรงนี้จ้าโอเคแต่เนาะไปlaunchอีตัวนิ่งโอ้โหเลยเนาะ Can you tell us your name?
Sure, I'm Chris Sorensen, and I'm the Director of Community Relations and Development for the Central California Blood Center.
Okay, so nếu chúng ta hùa Chris Sorensen, đi học từ này or là sai số cho news là cho media, the Blood Center. So you will be our kind of host today at the Blood Center. Can you tell us a little bit about what you do here?
Well, I'm in charge of my responsibility is really very important because I'm the one that has to educate and encourage and help those just about 100,000 people to encourage them to donate every single year. So we have to collect a net unit number of 1,500 donors or pints of blood every single week. And in order to do that, we need to get lots of folks to be educated and want to come in. And that's my job.
So nếu thế này cái cũng nếu thế nếu cho họ nói ra chi này ya, nếu thế nếu cho họ nói ya nếu chỉ tôn thiện hình là bút trả lại ya tôi cho trả về cái khó cho nó này ya, nếu chỉ tôn mua you said 15,000 was it?
A week?
Yes, a week.
1,500 every week.
Pints of blood,
yes.
Right? So you chỉ tôn mua cái chi bùa là ít phá chi bùa pints là ít mi cha trả làตัวจอไปขอเท่าน้อยที่ลิโมจะช้าโชว์ดูขอเท่าน้อยนะอย่าnow what kind of things do you guys do to let the public know about this place?
Well, we educate folks through articles in the newspaper and on television, on radio, programs like your wonderful one, about what it takes to be a blood donor, how simple it is, and how much they're helping the public. We're also in high schools and in businesses, and folks in the community will just call up and say, I'd like to help. Can you bring the Bloodmobile out to our home or our clubhouse or whatever? And we do our best to accommodate.
So 你係啲你考好了嘛？那麼你要知道天你了要知道 clear 做考條那那樣，嘅一考我後來你要去我的嘅你要知道冇。บทจะเขาเชื่อโอ้โหเลยแล้วยาเต็มอยู่เช็คกันตั้งนานเดี๋ยวอยู่ที่ตัวเคลียร์แล้วเดี๋ยวถอยจอนชาหน่อยนี่อยู่ที่ตัวป้านี่บริจาคที่อยู่อวริจาคอยู่ที่จอนชาตรงน่ะเดี๋ยวข้อน้อยนี่เขาเขาเลยเดี๋ยวนู่นนี่อยู่ที่ละป้าเป้นี่อุดรเป้หมู่ใช้เขาเชื่อหน่อยนี่อยู่อริจาค okay okay then can you tell us what is the first step or first process of this?
Sure, it's really very easy. You come in and you register first, and the registrar, as will happen in just a couple of minutes, will ask you your name, address, phone number. You need a photo ID and social security number. You need to give all of that information so you're in our system and we can get a hold of you at a future point when we need your blood again. And then they'll give you a questionnaire, and then you go on to step 2. So we can have you start if you'd like.
Okay. So 你係啲我哋嗱你要去到落嘢你有冇俾個 question 咯嗱你去 clinic 係啲你諗俾你呀你佢聽咗對聽你social security number 要拉起那樣嘅你聽你幫係啲你啲多你呀同你冇錢 okay so first step here
so fill this out for me please and if I could see your photo ID that would be the first step
Okay, so then idea. On the not the Tony money ID ni call ID ni money lu dai do nya hong na ya. The ni report then ne pu tu ni hai na ya. Perfect. Okay.
And so that's for new donors. That's the very first step. If it's somebody who's coming in who's already donated before, I would just ask if I could please see your photo ID and then your last name and then first name. I would type it up and I'd ask you to please verify the last 4 of your social and your birthday. And then it would come up on my screen and I would ask you if the address I have on file is still correct, as well as the phone number. And then if you're donating for any group or organization, and then from there, I would ask if you're making a whole blood donation, which is the standard donation. And then I would print off the registration form, and I would ask you to verify the top information that printed off, which would be your first and last name, your address, your city, your zip code. On here would print the today's date, the phone numbers, that type of thing. So you would verify that everything printed off correctly. And then if that was good, then I would take it back and give you your educational material. And then you would have a seat and then one of our staff members would take you back to continue. You would fill this out back there.
So then I think to register ก็ตาเนาะแล้วก็มั่วก็จะ information แล้วเนาะเจนี่อยู่จุดช่องด้วยเตียก็เปิดตัวนี้นี่อยู่เนาะก็ social security ไปยาราชีเทียก็ลงไปยาริจาแต่นี่อยู่มั่วเอาไปยาต้องเดือดร้อนเคลียร์ก็เตียถูกก็มั่วก็จนฉันcost safety แล้วยาขออยู่ชิโตที่ไทยอยู่ที่อยู่ยาราชีเนาะเจอยู่เราจะผู้เปย์จะต้องเนาะเจอยู่มาดอลลาร์จะต่อใช้ถเริ่มมาละน้องอยู่ที่ลุ้มไปหาจากที่นี่มามั่วช้า Okay, cause step 1 is your registration. Cause step 2 no, yeah, it's called mini physical interview. Like your shy you blood pressure, you it's called chơi giống. Starting the thế là your shy you put more iron, you think chana you lot so you know ya. Starting the thế là your ope ya là your no you question like you take cái mà kinh nghiệm là you take health no you put giống này okay. So, bên là mà là sai thì là yêu đi chán à.
Take your blood pressure.
No, you could talk now.
Okay, so the not yet I check you blood pressure, right? So what level does it need to be on?
It has to be on the low end. It can be lower than 90/50, and then on the high end, it can be higher than 180/100.
Okay.
So you have to fall within those ranges.
Okay.
So nè thì you chỉ tô mua ít ít khó chơi, or you chỉ tô bông đồ này ya, you cái blood pressure nó chỉ thế li lại thì nhớ dùng dầu mua bún chả này ya. Okay, perfect. So for you ta stage nó thì mà mua đồ stage 3, okay? So lo bé mua sát rồi chả. Alright, thì có step 3 nó thì lấy mỗi yêu lo dầu rồi có chơi nó lấy lúc trong này thì có nói có chơi ô yêu cho yêu ăn chán mỗi cái này mà lấy in chai thì bấm mỏ này đó chỉ mà平常啲咪le mỗi ít con ní đồ lo ít con mấy cái như chú mỗi ít con mấy số thôi con ní đồ mua hồi yêu 3 thế na thì thổ nó thì đó mà đó chỉ này mua you think cha mu do khó donating là you more you chana ya còn mà you more eat pie nó cho mi cả hai eat pie nó chỉ là để email cha cha sẽ okay chỉ là để muốn to này okay còn mà le one thing nó ni more you sẽ để disinfect là you more or có ni chỉ more ni hu này ya bé hai bé chỉ mua khó lưu disinfect đó chỉ mà nếu uống có hú nó thằng nó chỉ nếu mua khó ní đồ nè. Now it called interesting fact có ní cho nhiệt chỉ bao hay tiề bé lúc chế non á giờ tiề bao nhiêu non nếu mua cầu pie đó giờ nếu mua cầu mê tan trà nhớ hồ lúc chế á ta nên nó chỉ nên nó mua cầu o pie đó mua cầu o mê tan trà nhớ hồ lưu dứt chạy okay?
We're gonna wrap your arm up. You have to keep this on for at least 2 hours minimum.
Okay.
And then next 24 hours, make sure you drink a lot of fluids. That's very important. Eat well. Don't consume any alcohol. Don't do any heavy lifting. No strenuous activities. Okay. And then we'd also like you to sit in the canteen, have some refreshments for at least 10 to 15 minutes before you leave. Also. Okay.
Sau này hai tia, ông đây nói về thằng nhiều ta muốn chán là, yêu chỉ cho mua là yêu mua tây à, em nhà na yêu mua ấy na yêu, bây giờ tia yêu này không muốn chán hết, chỉ ta nên lấy啥个yêu mua rau búp bê了，考 canteen， 考跳舞，了mua món thia để hậu rồi yêu ấy có yêu nhớ rau tự yêu, sai để yêu bộ lấy trả bây giờ tia yêu này không muốn chán này yêu, okay? So lo bé mua có step 4 yêu có cho了mua món này yêu. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we are here at the 4th stage of this process. And can you kind of tell us a little bit about what's happening here?
This is probably the most fun stage. You're here for about 10 or 15 minutes, and we know the biggest reward when you donate blood is helping someone in a hospital, but the second most fun part of the reward is that you get to eat. So we have popcorn and we have wonderful beverages and we have sweets, and it just gives you a little boost right after you donate it and makes you feel a little bit like you have a little bit of extra energy as you go out to meet your day. And so we ask that you stay here for 10 or 15 minutes and then read a magazine, enjoy as many snacks as you want, and then go off and know that you did something great for the community.
So, the idea, culture na yo, culture or you, we have the ba lỡ cho nên thế ba community nó chỉ là sao có you tôi nó chỉ you thôi you ta muốn chán nó chỉ lỡ mua ở bây giờ không đâu you thế thì tôi nó thế thì tôi nhớ rồi lo gì mình gì đâu bé thế này vậy chỉ ta nên nó chỉ con nói ít khó chờ you lỡ sao có you rồi chỉ thôi cổ nó thì nó nhớ thì thôi you muốn chán nó chỉ youต้องchán nó you bởi dùng này vậy con nó mấy khó chú ý là sao có you bone, okay? Perfect. So can you go ahead and show us around your snack bar?
We have popcorn and we have wonderful beverages that lemonade and apple juice and then all the Coke beverages as well. We have a cappuccino machine and then we have lots and lots of snacks. Wonderful things to eat and enjoy and certainly things over here as well. So help yourself.
All right. Đây này thì thôi tôi nói chỉ là mua không chọn trong này giờ you mua để hậu chỉ là chỉ như hậu cà phê nó you họ là hậu cà phê bên nó chỉ là mua không cái gì chỉ là mua không cái gì nó thiết gì thôi tôi you mua you trà ta nó chỉ you mua ở bây giờ nó you thì tôi nói nào, okay?